25 basis points to 6% with immediate effect. Consequently, the standing deposit facility, the SDF rate under the liquidity adjustment facility shall stand adjusted to 5.75%, and the marginal standing facility rate or the MSF rate and the bank rate shall stand adjusted to 6.25%. I shall now briefly set out the rationale for the decisions of the Monetary Policy Committee. The Monetary Policy Committee noted that the inflation is currently below the target. It is supported by a sharp fall in food inflation. Moreover, there is a decisive improvement in the inflation outlook. As per projections, there is now a greater confidence of a durable alignment of headline inflation with the target of 4% over a 12-month horizon. On the other hand, impeded by a challenging global environment, growth is still on a recovery path after an underwhelming performance in the first half of 24-25, which is the last fiscal. In such challenging global economic conditions, the benign inflation outlook and the moderate growth demand that the MPC continues to support growth. Accordingly, the MPC unanimously voted to reduce the policy repo rate by 25 basis points to 6%. Moreover, it also decided to change the stance from neutral to accommodative. It also noted that the rapidly evolving situation requires continuous monitoring and assessment of the economic outlook. Let me now dwell a little on the monetary policy stance. This has been a subject of interest for some commentators and market participants. There have been questions as to whether it means a change on the policy rate or whether it signifies our stance on the interest rate or whether it relates to liquidity conditions. From a cross-country perspective, monetary policy stance is typically characterized as accommodative, neutral, or tightening. While an accommodative stance entails easy monetary policy that is geared towards stimulating the economy through softer interest rates, tightening refers to contractionary monetary policy, whereby interest rates are hiked to restrain.
सर्वसामान्यांसाठी अगदी सर्वात मोठी बातमी आहे. रेपो रेट कमी होणार आहे आणि सामान्यांचा आता EMI कमी होणार आहे. रेपो रेट 6.25%हून 6% आलेला आहे. आता व्याज दरात कपात झाल्याने मोठा दिलासा सर्वसामान्य नागरिकांना मिळतोय. एक अतिशय महत्त्वाची बातमी आहे. सकाळ सकाळी अत्यंत महत्त्वाची आणि आनंदाची बातमी सामान्यांना मिळाली आहे. रेपो रेट कमी झाल्याने EMIचे दर कमी झालेत. 0.25% दरात कपात झाली आहे.